about how to find the perimeter of the shaded figure. Let's say that we have to find the perimeter of the shaded figure, figure X. Before we find the perimeter of the figure X, let's first write down some basic facts about this diagram. We can see in this diagram that there are 3 semicircles. This is the first semicircle, this is the second semicircle, and this is the third semicircle. Let's label these semicircles as semicircles A, B, and C. This semicircle is semicircle A. This semicircle is semicircle B. And this semicircle is semicircle C. We also can see that the radius of each of these semicircles is 7 centimeters. So R for radius, R is equal to 7 centimeters. We can also see in this diagram that the centers of the semicircles A, B, and C lie on the same line. This line is the base of this rectangle. The centers of the semicircles lie on the same line. We can also see in this diagram that the diameter of the semicircles, let's take semicircle B for instance, the diameter of semicircle B starts on the center of semicircle A, this is the center of semicircle A, and ends on the center of semicircle C. This is the center of semicircle C. So, this means that the diameters of the semicircles start on the center of one semicircle and ends on the center of the other semicircle. The diameters of the semicircle starts on the center of one semicircle and ends on the center of another semicircle. Now let's find the perimeter of figure X. We can see in figure X will be labeled as arc FG. Let's also label this arc as arc EH and this arc as arc FM. Now, because the diameters of the semicircles starts on the center of one semicircle and ends on the center of another semicircle, by the way they intersect, then that means that arc FG is equal to arc EH. So arc FG, this is the symbol for arc. Arc FG is equal to arc EH. That also means that arc EG is equal to arc FM. Arc EG is equal to arc FM. So that means that the perimeter of the shaded portion X is also equal to the circumference of the semicircle B. Let's find the circumference of the semicircle B. The circumference of a semicircle is equal to pi times r, or pi r. So this is equal to pi, which is pi is equal to 22 over 7, 22 over 7, times the radius, r for radius. The radius is 7 centimeters, so times 7 is equal to, 7 cancels out with 7, and we get 22 times 1, because this would be 1 and this would be 1, is equal to 22 centimeters. So the answer to this problem is 22 centimeters. Today we learned about how to find the perimeter of the shaded figure. Thank you for watching this video.